Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in LA right now visiting some friends and staying at my friend Jackson's house, and I just realized that I need to make a video telling you guys all about our new program, Make Tight Feel Right. This is the weightlifting program that I've been talking about for a while on my channel. We just launched it last week, and so I just wanted to sit down and make a little video and tell you all about it. So what is Make Tight Feel Right? So it is a 6-month weightlifting program. It's written by my best friend Denise, and she is a kinesiologist. She's a strength and conditioning coach, and she's very focused on rehab and injury prevention. And this is the program that she wrote to win her pro card in the bikini category of a natural federation. I think it's the IDFA that she has her pro card in. I can check, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so this is the program that she wrote to train herself to get into competition shape for her bikini competitions. And while I've never done a bikini competition, and this program is not only for people who want to do a bikini competition, in fact, I think it's mostly for just like us, like regular people who aren't really wanting to do a bikini competition, but just want to kind of like strengthen our bodies, add some muscle, etc. But yeah, this is the program that she used to win her pro card. And it's also the same program that I basically have been using for the past year and a half, like some version of it that has helped me put on a lot of muscle. Like you've probably, if you've been following my channel for a while, you've seen my body transform over the last year or two. You know that I was a lot, well, I went through a phase where I was just very lean and skinny with not a lot of muscle, and like no fat. And then I gained some fat and I didn't really gain muscle. And then I was just kind of like fluctuating and yo-yoing. I mean, but it's the program that I started doing to transition me out of doing all these insane amounts of HIIT and cardio into more of a strength training style of training. So let's just get a little bit more into the specifics of the actual program. So there's 2 phases in this program. The first phase is the 3-month or 12-week, whatever you want to call it, beginner/intermediate phase, and then there is a 3-month advanced phase. In the beginners phase, there are 5 workouts per week. In the advanced phase, there are 6 workouts per week. And I know that sounds like a lot, but it is a lot. And the reason it is so much is because that's what Denise was doing to win her bikini pro card, her bikini competitions. I was never training that intensely, 6 days a week weightlifting. And what I would suggest for the average person who wanted to do this program but was thinking like, whoa, 5 or 6 days a week, like that's just a lot, it's too much. I would just do the workouts in sequential order because every day is listed out for you in the program. And I would just do the program over a longer period of time. So for example, if you're in the advanced phase and you have 6 days per week, well, instead of doing 6 days in a 7-day period, you could do 6 days in a 10-day period and simply finish the program longer. Another thing about the program is there are tutorial videos for every single exercise. So you'll see on day 1, for example, there'll be back squat. And if you click on the little link in the program, well, all of the exercise names are clickable links that you can click on, and it will take you to a video that Denise and I made with all of the technique and form cues so that you don't have to guess at what you're doing. Now, I just want to talk quickly about who this program is appropriate for, because it will not be appropriate for everyone. So if you've never picked up a weight in your life, if you've never weightlifted, I wouldn't suggest that this is the program for you, because you do need some sort of base level knowledge, especially with the compound lifts such as squats, deadlifts, and hip thrusts and glute bridges. Things of that nature. I really wouldn't recommend just going into the gym, picking up the barbell and trying these exercises with no guidance or coaching. So if you're someone who really wants to get into weightlifting and you want to try this program, I would say get the program, but sign up for you know, several sessions. Find a trainer locally that you can get some hands-on coaching and guidance with for form, for, you know, like the major exercises, because you really can hurt yourself if you don't know what you're doing. And obviously, like, nobody wants to get injured. So definitely I would recommend booking a few sessions with a coach or a trainer, someone who's like highly qualified, really knows what they're doing, if you don't have any experience. However, if you know you've been going to the gym, you've been lifting for a while, but you know, you're still a beginner in the first couple of years or intermediate, yeah, then this program is for you. So if you have experience with doing barbell squats, deadlifts, and just general weightlifting exercises, this program is for you. I had a few people ask me on Instagram whether they should start with a beginner or advanced phase, because I had a woman write to me and say, yeah, I've been lifting for a couple of years. I think I would just probably want to do the advanced stage, right? And then I was like, okay, well, how much weight are you using for these lifts, and like, what's your experience level? And she told me, and I was like, well, no, I would actually just recommend the beginner / intermediate program, because honestly, this is a serious and intense weightlifting program. This isn't just like, oh, let's just do a couple bicep curls and a couple glute kickbacks. No, this is a serious, intense weightlifting program. So, and also the other great thing about this program is it starts from the ground up, you know? So a lot of people who do weightlifting, they kind of like, they skip past certain things. They don't do proper mobility and activation work beforehand, and they end up developing imbalances in their body. And the great thing about this program is that it starts from the ground up. It has a lot of core exercises in it to really like give you a good foundation to do those heavier lifts. There's literally zero guesswork in this program. All of the sets, reps, rest times, and weight increases are laid out for you. So, you know, most programs will not tell you a specific weight that you're supposed to start and progress to, but this program does. So you'll never have to wonder, like, am I not progressing fast enough or slow enough, or like, what should I do next? Like, everything is laid out for you. Some people have asked me if there is a meal plan or a nutrition guide that comes with this program, and no, there is not. It is strictly a training program. However, I do have a recipe book with a sort of FAQ section on how to eat for your goals, whether it be weight loss or weight gain, etc. So I'll leave the link to that in the description. And also, I'm thinking I'm gonna make a video soon kind of talking about exactly like how to eat for your goals, whatever they may be. So I think I'm gonna make a video on that. But this program is strictly a weightlifting training manual. There's no nutrition stuff in it. Now, I just want to talk really quickly on how this program and weightlifting in general has helped me. I know if you guys have been following my channel for the past little while, like you've heard me talk at length all about like how weightlifting has been so healing for me in getting out of that restrictive over-exercising mentality, how it's just helped me feel so much stronger and confident. In the past year, I've put on about 12 to 15 pounds of muscle, and I honestly just feel so great. Following this program really helped me get out of the mentality of always trying to eat less, exercise more, and worry about food, worry about how my body looks, and instead focus more on feeling strong and accomplished and not being afraid of food, and knowing that I need to eat in order to fuel myself so that I can get stronger and build muscle and, you know, build some curves, some muscular, strong, toned looking curves, which I've, you know, never really had before. Anyway, you guys know how much everything has changed for me in the last year, so I'm not gonna keep going on and on about it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I did have it offered for 10% off for the first week of January. The full price is $118 US. It's 10% off for the first week of January, which it's January's now, we're in the second week now, but since I didn't make a video to post about this, I'm just gonna keep the discount on, I think, for the entire month of January, and then once February hits, it's gonna go up back to 118, and I don't think there will probably be any discounts for a long time. So if you're interested in getting it, I would say get it now. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I think that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to keep this video really short, just announcing that it's available now. I know that I've been talking about it for a long time, and I really apologize that it's taken this long. I just want to explain why it's taken this long, because I've been embarrassed about the fact that I had been kind of promoting it earlier in the year and then it just wasn't available, because I just thought it made me look ridiculous that I, didn't have it when I said it was coming. And the reason why is because, me and Denise don't have any graphic design capabilities, and so we gave it to, Denise wanted one of her clients who's an amazing photographer and graphic designer to put it together. However, she basically just does those projects for fun and she doesn't need the money, so there was no like fire lit under her ass to finish it in a timely manner. So that's kind of why it dragged on and on, and I really wish it could have been available sooner, but anyways, I apologize. It's available now, so yeah, I'm super excited. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And and if you buy the program and if you start using it, I would love to see some progress or transformation photos, both like mental and physical, whatever you want to share about the program. You can use the hashtag #MakeTightFeelRight on Instagram, and I'll be checking that hashtag, or just tag me in your post. Like, I would love to see how Make Tight Feel Right works for you and what you get out of it. Like, because I've gotten so much out of it, so I would love to see what you get out of it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye.